Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's payroll, boom or bust in the next 8 minutes. What do you think? We have a poll running and 80% of you are saying boom so far. Well, you'll find out in 7 minutes time. Let me give you my thoughts and my strategy. I am fully invested. I have, as you can see, $250,000 now on Robinhood. That's all the money I have in the world, so I'm fully invested. Last night on that pump, I told you a few days ago, I bought some with margin. I had $250,000 margin. I got out of my margin. I see us nearly at the top now. No point paying 4% and losing 4% because you would have get 4% as well from uninvested cash. So it's now costing 8%, and there just isn't that growth left this year. So I've cleared all my margin, but I did buy a little bit with margin on that dip. I've already sold that. I've taken that profit last night because I feel we're nearly there. And to be honest with you, 4%, 5% left. It's not worth paying 4% to earn that, and losing the 4% you could earn in cash as well. So I'm not selling my positions, but I'm just not using margin. You always want to remain in the market. You just buy more if it goes down, because of course if I sell the biggest positions, I will pay a ton of tax. There's no point doing that. I want my portfolio to compound. So I'm all out of margin and I'm holding some cash. As you can see, that buying power is not margin. That buying power is 100% cash, earning 4%. So there's my position right now. So what am I expecting? Honestly, I don't know. I think unemployment is an issue now. It could be rising. We could have Jerome Powell forced to reduce rates. You might say that's a good thing. If it's an emergency rate cut, it's a bad thing. If we do have unemployment rising and an issue with the payrolls, then it's a reaction. So that could be a really bad thing. So we hope we don't have that, but we need to be prepared for it. So that's why I'm fully out of margin and have a little bit of cash. I can turn on margin if for some reason it dips crazily, but we shall see what happens. All right, so that's where I am, and after this today, you can see on the big screen below me, just here at the left, we have an XRP reset today, a big event going at 9 o'clock after the opening bell, the XRP reset. We're going to be covering that this morning, and I think you'll find that very interesting. XRP preparing for a major breakout. I don't mean just some silly little breakout. I mean a major breakout. We're at 230, where a lot of other crypto in the payment sector, you know, like Zebec, for example, is just going down and down and down. It's just not doing anything at all, and it could easily go to zero. Whereas XRP, on the other hand, is doing the very opposite. It could take off, but some are disappointed by the speed of it. But we'll discuss all of that, the full reset of XRP later on this morning. In fact, in an hour and a half from now. So payroll is coming up. You're in the right place. We're on standby for Wall Street. We're getting ready for it. The moment they bring it to us, we will have it. There we go. We're getting ready. Just a few seconds to go now. In fact, 5 minutes. So what we want to do is we want to get this stream out to everybody. We want this to be a major event this morning. So 1 minute, we want to get, how many people are watching? 175 people. I'm surprised it's not higher than that. This is a big, important live stream, and you don't seem that excited about it. You should be. Very often these things get overlooked and people just don't think it's important, but it really is everything. Oh, what's happened there? I don't want all of that. I don't want all of that. I just want the United States, the United Kingdom, and the European area, Euro area. There we go. Why did it do that? Impact 2. This is my economic calendar. Just had a bit of a reset. So let's have a look. Countries, Euro area. Oh, that would be why. United States. There you go. Oh, flipping heck. I've got what's going on here? Save that. Countries. There you go. Got it back. Payroll. Okay. We are waiting for the numbers. We've got just a few seconds to go. So let's get this out to everybody. Are you ready? Let's pump it up. Let's get excited. Let's just not have it too loud. How long have we got? 3 minutes. Are you prepared? I hope you are. You should always be prepared. Let's rock and roll. Let's get 100 likes in 1 minute. Let's go. We've got 3 minutes for the call. Here it is. Let's bring up the numbers. We've got 206 watching a major event. There it is. How many likes? 210. We've got 15 likes. Refresh the screen in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We need 100 to get suggested. It's a big moment today. 43. Okay, that's jumped. We've got 3 minutes to go for the payrolls. Get excited. Get ready. We hope you're in a safe position. 44. Let's refresh the screen. Tap the like button if you are new to the channel. Let's get ready for a massive volatile morning. This could rocket up or rocket down or collapse. I mean, it literally isn't going to be a standstill. It's going to be something dramatic. It may happen straight away. It may take 15 minutes to digest. How many likes have we got now? We want to get 100 likes. We've got now 2.5 minutes to go. I hope you're prepared. How many people are watching? We've got 217 people watching. Very small number. People not interested in payroll data. They think it's boring. It's not.
Corman to Richmond donated $1.99 through a super chat. Sensei sent me. Thank you for everything.
You're very welcome.
Emoji, smiley face emoji, red heart emoji.
You're very, very welcome. Thank you. 2 minutes ago, 75 likes. Let's refresh the screen. Come on, come on, come on. That's where are we now? We are 88, nearly suggested on YouTube. We've got 2 minutes to go before the data. We're getting ready, and then we got a big XRP event just here. XRP reset, a major discussion today of a major breakout on XRP. That's coming up, but right now we're getting ready for the jobs, the unemployment, and everything else. We'll be there live. 88 likes. We need 100 to be suggested, and then things start getting really excited. 96, 4 to go. Come on, tap the like button. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We are very close now to 100,000 subscribers. Be part of our journey. We'd love to have you. In fact, let me show you how close we are. We're getting very close now. Here we go. We are now at 86,725. Be great to get to 87,000 today, right? Okay, let's get rid of that. Mr. Mini-Me, are we there? Let me go and look. We've got 1 minute to go for the data. Is it going to boom or bust today? You are saying boom, 76%. We've now got 107. We did it. Thank you very much indeed. Awesome stuff. Let me fade the music out. We are up and we are running. Thank you very much. Let's go, go, go. So here we go. Let's bring it back. Let's get ready for the report. 45 seconds to go. Here we go. What's going to happen? So you need to be prepared. I hope you all are. Yesterday, if you were live on the show, you now see 34 trades, 33 wins. Yesterday, I had a loss. It was an experiment. I wanted to see what it was like to go all in on a speculative, risky stock, $140,000 on Virgin Galactic. I could have lost 70 grand in seconds. It was terrifying. It was something we wanted to see what would happen if we could move the needle, what it would feel like as an example to everybody, and it was flipping horrible. Here we go. Here are the numbers. The numbers
are very closely. There's some thinking, too, that a weak jobs report could make the July meeting for the Fed live, meaning they could consider cutting rates at that meeting.
That's what I've been saying for ages.
We're watching this number very closely. We're just about 20 seconds away. Rick Santelli with the CME in Chicago. I don't know what you think about
was 4.2, expecting it to go up to 4.3. If unemployment goes up to 4.4, the market will move. It's already moving.
That could make it live in the markets.
Unemployment rates.
Anything's possible.
Non-farm
We'll know
payroll.
shortly. Obviously, it's
Here
the
we
big
go.
June jobs report. I wouldn't look for this to make an easy more likely. 147,000 jobs. Definitely a bit better than expected, no matter what your range was, whether it was closer to 100 or 115,000. It's a pretty good number. And guess what?
Oh, unemployment rate has come down. The unemployment rate has come down.
It's 4.1. How does 147 stack up? Well, it's pretty odd because it's exactly where we were in April, unless they revise that to find a higher number than that. Well, you're going back to last year. So this is tied for the, second best, tied for the first best number of job creation of the year. Now, let's look at the numbers for unemployment rate. That number is coming in at, well, it's coming in at,
here we go. Bye.
Underemployment. There it is, 4.1%. Sorry, folks, we do this on the fly. 4.1%, and obviously 4.1 equals where we were in February to find a lower unemployment rate at the beginning of the year when it was at 4%. Now, if we look at average hourly earnings, up 0.2, we're looking for up 0.3, and the rearview mirror is up 0.4. Up 0.2 equals where we were in April to find a lower number. You really have to go back in the Wayback Machine. You're going all the way back to August of 23 when it was up 1/10. So earnings are something to pay attention to. And you see the same dynamic when you look at year-over-year average hourly earnings. 3.9 in the rearview mirror, 3.8 expected. Boy, 3.7. How does that stack up? That would be the lowest yearly rate going back to July of just last year when it was
unemployment rate is fallen.
Now, if we look at the average weekly hours
booming.
34.2, that equals where we were in February. We started out the year at 34.1. The
$250,000 around the corner.
So
there it is, $250,000
unemployment rate that we pointed out.
What a great day.
U6 is the underemployment rate. We like to pay attention to that. Obviously, it's been coming down rather dramatically. That now stands at 7.7%. That follows 7.8%, and that would be the number that we're very close to expectations. Finally, labor force participation, always important. We want to bring back people in the workforce, and this time we did not. 62.3. We lost a 10th. 62.3. And what's very fascinating about this is these numbers have been pretty
incoming.
Steady. 62.3 equals DECE of 22. 62.1, you're in NOVA of 22. Listen, it doesn't end there. This is Thursday. Initial jobless claims coming out at 233,000. That is a drop of 4,000. It was slightly revised, 237,000. Still keeps that
Trump's going to be delighted with this.
Well, just like JOLTS, not a bad number for the labor market. ADP seems to be an outlier at this point. And finally, continuing claims coming at 1,964,000. That means it's what, 6 consecutive readings over 1.9, basically comping to 2021. And the trade balance for May, which is obviously a deficit at minus 71.5 billion. And the rearview mirror, 60.3 billion. Boy, has that come down with all the trade issues. Just think, March was 138 billion, by far the biggest deficit since record keeping in 92. Now, after all that, what happened? Well, all you needed to see was that 147,000 in positive 2-month revision. Yield shot up like a bit of a rocket ship. 435 in a 10, we settled at 428. In a 2-year, 380, that's up 11 on the day, and both of those metrics were down 2 basis points before the number. Pre-opening Dow futures more than doubled from up a little less than 50 to now up 115. It should be no surprise that these are good numbers. And Melissa Lee, you were asking would I think that this is going to make a big difference, put July hot. I think what this does is make everyone question the dynamics of what issues are going on in the economy that would need an ease. I understand the president's view. I understand Jay Powell's view. But in the end, it certainly seems as though it's just about right now, considering what's going on with the risk on, risk off in the equity trade. Back to you.
Wow.
All right. Steve, let's bring you in here.
Should we just hear this?
The impact on
quickly
July, September, which
look at that go.
Pretty much a foregone conclusion.
I think this is a very mixed report, Melissa. I have to point out, I don't even know if President Trump is going to like this report.
Why?
73,000 of the job gains were government. Now, it was -8 on the federal side, plus 40 on the state side, and I think it was plus 20 or 30 on the local side. So what you have is you have the weakest private sector growth since October of 2024. And it was bizarre to go down the table and you look at it, you see a lot of negatives, a lot of positives. It goes back and forth. I'm trying to find the diffusion index, which tells us what a I don't see it here right away. It tells us the percentage of industries that were raising and lowering. You did have good job growth in the service sector, which is the opposite of what ADP thought. But private education, again, up 51. Healthcare up 58.
Okay, we've got enough now.
20.
We've got enough information. So let's go through all our positions and see what's moving. What a morning this is. So like he said, Steve Leeson said there, some good news, some bad news. What will Trump do? I don't know. But it just shows you, though, that the overall economy is pretty strong. The unemployment rate, that's for me the most important, what I'm looking at. The unemployment rate was 4.3%. 4.3% unemployment rate in the United States. Previously, it was 4.2. So it went up slightly, and then we were like concerned, is it unemployment getting away from us? Is the Fed going to have to cut rates? Because remember, they've got a dual mandate for stable unemployment, stable unemployment, and also stable prices. That's what they've got to do, right? And we thought, okay, the economy is cooling, and more jobs, more people are being made unemployed. In fact, it dropped to 4.2. It was previously 4.1. It dropped to 4.1. It was previously 4.2, and the consensus was it was going up to 4.3. It actually gone down to 4.1. So that is quite an incredible thing. So what you saw me do today, I had, let me go back over to, let me go over here. So I had $122 on my Roth IRA. On my Roth IRA, I had $122. That was my dividend payout last night. So I'm happy with the overall economy. And with my Roth IRA, I just wait for a good sign to buy the next time. Now it's gone down again. It doesn't matter. It's a long-term position. This is my Roth IRA. If I show you here, you can see it's massively up. Look, up 32%, nearly $10,000. I had $122 from dividends. I bought it. It's a generally good report. There's some good, some bad. But overall, it's just a long-term position. That's where that cash came from. Okay, on my main account, I got 600 and like nearly $700 worth of. I'll show you. In fact, I'll go. Don't just guess it. I'll show you. If I show you here, we'll see here. I got. Here we go. Let's have a quick look. There you go. $630 in dividends. Now, it's nowhere near as much as it was going to be. You may remember I had $250,000 a margin. I paid it all off. It would have been double that, but I sold all my margin. I'm out because I don't see a massive run, and I still don't. Even after that, I still see a nice 4%, 5% this year. It's not really worth paying to borrow money to earn the same and then lose out of the cash. So I'm not selling anything. I'm holding my position for my cash, but I'm just not holding any margin. Now, if you look below, let me go back down to here. The S&P went up. It's just trimmed a little bit. People taking profit. So you see what I mean? It's not a runaway trade today. This is what I've said before. 4% this year, 5% maybe. No point paying 4% and missing out on 4% uninvested cash. But I'm not selling either, because if I sell this cash position, not the margin position, that's gone, I'll pay a ton of tax because I've reached my capital gains allowance for this year, and the shares that I've left myself with are the ones with the biggest gains. I've sold the ones with the smallest gains using tax lots from the top, kept the ones at the bottom. So I don't want to sell those. I still see a 4% gain, but it isn't worth selling those, paying tax just to earn 4% uninvested cash when it might grow 4%, because it's not costing me any money to hold it. I hope that makes sense. So the buying power that I've got now is just $2,000. I can turn on margin and give myself $250,000. I don't want to do that right now, but if I decide the market crashes because of a carry trade, which could happen in the next couple of weeks, or trade issues that might reignite, I will turn that back on again and buy that dip, because generally, obviously, the economy in the United States is generally fine. So it's not worth buying this little dip at the moment with that cash, because I'm earning 4% on it, and we're going to get maybe 4% this year. We might get a dip. So if we stay where we are, I earn more in the cash, so I'm leaving my money in cash. If we do get a reaction today and it drops, maybe 1%, then I'll use the cash. I wouldn't use margin on that, but if it drops 5 or 10%, then that would be a good time to deploy margin once again. So that's my strategy. Let's go through all the positions today and see how all the markets reacted, and then we'll do comments and questions. If you've just tuned in, tap the like button. Consider subscribing. And right after this, in an hour and 20 minutes, we have a reset, an XRP reset. There is the event that comes up this morning. Straight after this, where you are now will take you automatically to this event. This is it here, XRP. Straight after the show, we're talking about XRP reset. What do I mean? We need to reset everything for XRP. Let me show you what I mean. XRP is up today. It sold off with the market, but it's going back up again. We're going to talk about a major reset with XRP. That comes up after today's opening bell. I'm very excited about it. I really got some great news to share with you. So that's coming up this morning. You don't want to miss that. So the market just trimmed off a little bit. It's digesting it, not sure what to do. We're still going to keep our poll running because the market hasn't opened yet. We've got 45 minutes and we'll be there live for it. Boom or bust. 233 votes. 77% of you have said boom. Well, it did go up. Didn't explode though. Same. 4% this year. I was actually just, in fact, I didn't provide that option, did I? But I was neutral on this. It's great, but no boom for me, just business as usual. That's where I would have voted, but unfortunately, I didn't provide that option, did I? Anyway, let's get ready for the next segment. I've got lots of news to share with you. So please tap the like button. We've got 358. Let's get 200 likes. It'd be absolutely wonderful if you could tap the like button and consider subscribing. Let's see where our subscribers are right now before we show you the whole positions and then answer questions. So let's have a look. Let's go over to our main screen. Let's see if it's moved this morning. Are we up or down? 727. There you go. I think we're going to hit 87,000 subscribers by the 4th of July, July the 4th. That's my prediction. See if I'm right. It's absolutely wonderful. We lost about 300 subscribers when I said it was bad news for Zebec and they didn't like it. Well, look at what Zebec's done. Zebec has collapsed, still going down, and it could go to zero, sadly. Unfortunately, it's not anything like XRP. It only boomed because of XRP, and people unsubscribed when I said that, which is a shame because I'm just bringing them the facts. But sadly, the XRP audience like the facts, Zebec audience like the being told it's only going up, and they all got a bit silly with it. But there you go. I can't control that. Let me show you the positions and see where we are. Now, the market is trying to go up again, so it's not booming. It's just business as usual. There's my portfolio. The S&P 500 popped up, sold off a little bit. Not sure where to go right now. Oops, that's not a good screen. Virgin Galactic. Oh, look at that. If I'd stayed in on that crazy trade, I would be up today. Yesterday, $240,000. Did a major test. See what it was like using margin yesterday. Live on the show. Went in and bought 50,000 shares of Virgin Galactic. I would be up today $1,000 because it was $500 every penny. In fact, I'd be up $1,500 today. Every penny on Virgin Galactic was $500. I didn't like doing it. I felt sick. It was an experiment. I won't be doing it again. All right. Okay. It was a crazy moment to give you some entertainment, but also to learn, would it move the needle? What would happen? 50,000 shares, and you can see it's back up today. So yes, it would have been great to have stayed in, but I couldn't have slept last night. Palantir is up 1.1%. Gold is down. Once again, people are selling their gold to buy, of course, high risk assets. The tech, the S&P 500, that's what's happening. The economy is strong. They use the gold as a piggy bank. Amazon going up today. Very nice indeed. It should go up as well. Apple, it's down, but it's pushing back up. It should go up. Next Era Energy, down slightly, but we're at $72 now. Enphase, it's my best trade tip of the year, this one. I told you it's the best balance sheet on the stock market, and I was right. Absolutely right. In fact, I'm going to make a very quick video on this one. So the time is 7:46. Let me just put this video out. 7:46 ENPH. ENPH. All right. So quick story on this one. Let's have a quick look at this one. Let's go from here to here. Enphase Energy, ticker symbol ENPH, my best trade tip this year. This is the one I said was the best balance sheet on the stock market. The overall economy is strong. Things are looking well. We've grown from $5,000 to just under $250,000 now. And one of my best thoughts this year, and it's proven to be accurate again, is Enphase Energy, ticker symbol ENPH. I like this. It oversold due to uncertainty. Remember, the market trades on certainty and uncertainty of what Donald Trump would do with the solar sector. It oversold massively. What an opportunity. This was a $200 stock. It will go to $200 again, but it will very quickly go to $100. And at $100 was a good value. It went down as low as 38 or whatever it was, and now it's 41. This has been a great recovery. One of my best, in fact, my best trade tip this year will be Enphase Energy. No doubt about it. You just got to wait with this one, have some patience. It takes balls to buy deep like that. I get it. Yesterday, I did a $140,000, 50,000 shares of Virgin Galactic on margin to test what would happen if you went all in. I'll tell you what it was like. It was terrifying and horrible. I wanted to test it, but you have to have bravery and certainty of what is undervalued. All right, to do stuff like that. But there you go. Enphase Energy, one of my best, most confident tips this year. I still love it. It's going to $100 quite easily and 200 in the next couple of years. This was massively oversold. I wish everyone the best and I hope you are doing well. In all my members are up on this, making tons of money, which is great to see. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Along here, also in the comments, there will be the links to everything you need to know, which is the playlist for Enphase Energy. Enphase Energy playlist here, and something I think you'll enjoy just down here. Enphase Energy, just hold it. Just hold it. Don't sell it for a couple of cents. Just give it some time. I think this one is a great stock for the future. The rest is up to you. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, I just wanted to get that one out. Enphase Energy. We've got Coca-Cola doing just going sideways, but that great dividend makes it worthwhile. J&J defensive going sideways, but again, another dividend king. Chevron oil's going down. No uncertainty in the Middle East. Tesla, what about it? What about it? We've got issues with Tesla, really bad numbers coming out, and they can't sell cars now in Europe. Everyone goes, it doesn't matter. I'm focusing on Optimus and self-drive. I'd be careful though. It's massively overpriced, but you could be buying the future. McDonald's good. Google up. Microsoft up. This is going to be the leader alongside Nvidia in the AI sector. We gave you the 140 on the earnings. It did. We said 150 on the CES Vegas event. It did. I told you it's going to 200. It will. Very happy with Nvidia. Walmart is going sideways. A bellwether. It's okay. Tilray Brand's worth nothing at all. Joby Aviation. We brought you the eVTOL sector with our Vaz. And was he right? Yes, he was. This is a new big sector. That's why it's now making a regular appearance in our show. We're very happy to have it on the show as a regular now. It's made its way into our top stocks. Rocket Lab. We like it, but expensive. Robinhood trimming off. A lot of FOMO as it approached $100. Remember, it was $8 when we first bought this. Everybody got excited. Remember, it's going to be in the S&P eventually, so it's going to continue to grow, but you're buying it at a very expensive price right now. It doesn't like that $100, does it? It can't keep going up forever. Plug power, just manipulation. Don't touch it. Bitcoin trimming off today, just down very slightly. 108 though, preparing for a major breakout. Same as XRP. We're going to cover that in 1 hour and 10 minutes, an XRP reset special. So there we go. There's all our positions this morning. All right. Let me now go to comments and questions. I'm very, very glad that I used my cash today in my Roth IRA. Remember, I got paid some dividends. I bought it. I'm happy. I like what the economy is doing. So I bought that, used that. I deployed that money. So there's no cash in my Roth IRA. There doesn't need to be. I don't earn any money on uninvested cash, and the market is going up. Long term, that's what that account is for. So I've deployed it. What I do is on the 1st of January every year at midnight, I put in the maximum amount, which is 8,500 currently, could be 9 grand this year, who knows? And I deploy it within 1 second. I don't wait for a dip. I don't care about a dip because I just deploy it on day one at the beginning of the year, and the rest is history. It doesn't matter. And the results are obviously to see. There are the results. I've now got 32% up. That's phenomenal, right? That's what you do with a Roth IRA. You pay no tax on it. You hold it, and it doesn't matter whether it goes up or down. You don't sit around trying to time the market. It doesn't matter. You just deploy. Now, the main account you can see is just dipping. People are taking profit. So at the moment, I'm holding I've got no margin at all, but I'm now holding cash for dips on good news. That's the strategy. Dips on good news. I'm not selling my positions. I'm just buying dips on good news. So I'm earning 4% at the moment on that cash. So that's all we're going to get this year. But if we get a sell-off on this news, I will start to deploy and buy a few shares as we start to drop and see what goes on. Because I want to add to my position so I can increase every quarter the amount I earn in dividends. My aim is to get $1,000 a month on dividends, $3,000 a quarter, which would give me a nice little tip every month, which I could live on, quite frankly, because I live on next to nothing because I've paid all my bills and my mortgage is off and everything else. So that's what my strategy is. Let's go to comments and questions now. And just before I do, if I could ask everyone to tap the like button. Have you all done that? We've got 156. It'd be great if we could get 200, and consider subscribing as well. XRP special coming up in just a short while. I've got some big news coming up as well once I've covered all the questions. So exit, Sensei sent me. You know who sent me. Alien sent me. Hello, Martin. Hiya, Mike. How is your lovely Lisa? And how are you after a very sad week for you? Hi everyone, Rhino Skin Sensei sent me. Hi David. Hi everybody from Mike. I love it. Exiting to see the payroll, exciting to see the payroll date. That's why I watch you so much, Martin. I am stock dividend investor mainly and like your coverage on broad market news and data. Thank you very much, Exit. Hey, Rhino Skin, let's have a massive pump today and get standing on the moon. Hi, said Just Fluffy. Hope everyone makes some money today. Come on, Sensei sent me. Good morning. Motto, good morning to you. Overbought. I just have a feeling a jobs report is going to be bad news. Well, it was okay. There's some bad news in it, but generally it's okay. But the market is now selling it. Morning, afternoon, or evening, Martin. We are still waiting for data. You there? Yes, I'm here. What's going on here? The behind the stream. Robbie, good morning to you. May here. I think my video is frozen. Robbie, afternoon. Robbie C is here saying hello to everybody. Hello. Sensei sent me Nitrazel. All smoke barbecue. Let's boom. Good morning, Leno. Good morning to you. Yes, welcome, Martin. I am bouncing back and forth between this and the BBB speech. Finally, how will unemployment be used when the robots take most people's jobs? Yes, but there'll be growth because of it. There's robots that are doing jobs that people just cannot do. Let's have a look. Thoughts, got them likes, get them likes. Unique, hit the like, oh, hello, we can't put swearing on the screen, but thank you very much anyway. Fingers up, let's get the hunk of cheese. Let's get a hunk of cheese. What does that mean? Good afternoon, all. Poor man, rich man. Thank you for that lovely super chat. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, the market is trimming now. It's not really worth me buying it yet. Let's see what happens. A lot of people traveling on holiday now. Lucas Age, good morning, James. All smoke barbecue holding. Yes, more than 100 likes. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Kazansky is here. Lovely to have you here. No sound. The sound is fine. You just need to unmute your device. I don't know. I can't wait until they revise it down. Yeah, there was sound, wasn't there? No one else said there's no sound. We're good on that screen. We're good on that screen. Yeah, every screen looks good to me. No reason for rate cut now, says Sensei. Martyn, the Day Trader Show. Past the BBB. It was pretty scary. Going triple leveraged here. No cuts rates now. I'll go triple leveraged next week. Don't do that. Past the BBB today, please. Good labour market. Martyn, look at space. Ka-ching. Yes, I know. The show goes on. I don't know. I think Trump will hate this. Really great news. That's exactly what he wanted. No good action in alts. Happy Thursday, everyone. James, good morning to you. Oh, welcome our ladies. Always give a big welcome to our ladies. We have a higher percentage of ladies watch this show than any other crypto channel in the world. Most crypto channels are 0.8 to 0.1. We have on this show over 13% ladies. It's the highest for a show that covers crypto in the world. Go and check on the Google Analytics. 73,000 new jobs, courtesy of Uncle Sam. Unemployed but can't afford anything. Morning, said Moonfeather. Songs for Space. James, XRP dropping. We've got an XRP reset in just an hour and 3 minutes. Been dropping since the bell. The bell hasn't gone yet. We've got, what do you mean since the bell? We've got 33 minutes to the bell. Sorry, since the announcement, unemployment. Yes, that's better. Good morning, David Ray. Top of the morning, Martyn Walfredo. Good morning to you. Jumper XRP definitely dropping. There's your XRP. We've got an XRP reset today, and I've got some good news for you. However, I'll tell you all about it when we get there in an hour from now. You won't want to miss the XRP reset. Good morning. Let's go Virgin Galactic. Yes, indeed. Oh, did I sell it too early? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It was an experiment that I will never wish to repeat again. But there you go. Anyway, that was yesterday. That's a whole new world. Morning 007 Jam Pack, thank you. Some XRP drops. Hello Martyn. Amia, good morning to you. Crow, it won't let me super chat. It should do. Anyone can super chat, I think. Yeah. Can someone give me a 99-cent super chat to test it's working? Crow said it's not working and he does it a lot. Can someone just do a 99-cent just to get something on the screen for me to test it? That would be great. Good morning, Walfredo. You were a great teacher, Martyn. Thank you very much. Consider becoming a member. There's the membership link, and you get lots of perks. You get all our CEO interviews. You get all our earnings reports. You get all our reviews as well. You can call into the show. You can be on the show. I engage with you on social media. I answer all your comments and questions on YouTube in the comment section, plus many other perks. Don't forget First Solar with Enphase. Yes, but I do prefer Enphase as by far the best balance sheet. I went BD. What does BD mean? It says RB. Good morning, everyone. James. Crazy. So dollar cost average in a Roth. So no, doesn't matter. So what? Dollar cost averaging in a Roth? I'm not even considering it. I just leave it. It's just for the future. There we go. It works.
Just Fluffy, Eddie P, donated $1 through a super chat.
It works. Thank you very much. Just Fluffy. Appreciate you a lot for doing that. That's very, very kind of you. Thanks, mate. RB, hello to you. Paul D, good morning. Good morning, Mike. I bought Coca-Cola, the new Star Wars themed Coca-Cola cans. Lovely. Now then, for those of you who don't know, she is Moonfeather. You're new to my show, so you might not know, but actually, my godfather was Kenny Baker. Kenny Baker was the man inside the robot of R2-D2. That's my godfather. Hence the name Martyn Lucas. You can now see my heritage and my connections. All right? So there you go. If you're Star Wars fans, you might be, oh, I like that. Can I have your autograph? No, you can't. I'm sure my friends, hang in there. You're still having the 4th of July party. Yes, 4th of July party tomorrow night on the show. Do you want a link for it? Do you want a link for it? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let me give you the link for tomorrow night's 4th of July party. It's going to be wild. It's going to be wild and crazy. I'm going to put my American shirt on and my cowboy hat. There you go.
Paul D. Note Dad donated 99 cents through a super chat.
Thank you very much indeed. This is the event for tomorrow night. Click on it now. Reserve your ticket. The first people that come in can join me on the stage. It's going to be a massive night tomorrow night. Fireworks, bombs bursting and all the rest of it. Tomorrow night, live in 31 hours. You want to join me? There's the link. Click on it now. Click like. Click reserve your ticket because it's a separate show, separate channel. Oh, another one. Here we go.
Kent Paranormal and Herbex donated £2 through a super chat. Free chicken, sheep eggs and holding SPCE.
Kent Paranormal. Simon, you missed it yesterday. I went all in on Virgin Galactic with $140,000 and as a margin position to show you what it would feel like, what it feels like, what the benefits are. Can you move the stock? Let me just jiggle my seat to make sure I'm centered. There you go. It was a very, 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 very exciting moment, but very scary too. So there you go. If you come in now, you can put your name in the chat. You can order a song request, and we've got people putting on 4th of July parties in their houses on big screens, and they're bringing all the neighbours round. It's going to be a massive night tomorrow night, and the first 10 people can join me on the stage. Space is up, pre-market. Bears selling, bulls buy. I'm still holding. Good luck to you. A very good morning, family. Triumph Chicken, who's going to drop another 140 grand today. You never know. You never know. I've got the bug now. Ooh, I might do it again. Jar Jar must mean since PP. I'm not sure what that means. Here we go. Oh, hang on. What's this?
Crow 265 donated $5
You're going to find
a super
out.
chat.
You're going to find
Ripple
out.
applied for a national banking license. What does that mean for Ripple and XRP?
You're going to find out in 1 hour from now. You're going to find out. Good morning, Martin. Good morning, everyone. Do you think Great Britain will ever get their act together? Oh, when it's sad to see Rachel Reeves cry. However, it shows you they're human, and I like it. I will be watching, but working. Sock, no? Don't get that. Don't get that one. I know I watch. Good morning from Chile. Good morning, Chile. What is your native language from Chile? If you become a member, I will speak to you in your language. There's the membership link. All right. Good morning. Lovely to have you. We've got nobody from Chile. We've got no member from Chile. I'd love to get a member from Chile. Good morning to you. I had to close app and come back in. There you go. Being on the big, beautiful bill. Right. Let me come back. Let me give you the news. We've got 27 minutes to go. I'm going to refresh that in a minute. Don't need to do it just yet. So we're going to ring the bell in a moment. We're going to see the reaction to the market. I just deployed my dividends in my Roth IRA. It's going back up again. Very happy to do so. I'm not deploying the cash on my buying power yet on the S&P. I'm earning 4%. I see the market only going up 4%, so I'm building up some cash, waiting for a bigger reaction, and then I will use it. Otherwise, there's no point. So you can now see I'm now coming up to $250,000. This will be a very special moment when you consider I started with $5,000. I now have no margin at all, no shorts, none of that nonsense. And we're making money every second of every day now. We don't need to chase the market. Okay, and you can all do what I have done. I've done nothing unique, special, not because I had money or a YouTube show, nothing. I did it all the same way as everybody else. So what I do, everyone can do, and I show you that I'm doing it live so you can see it's real. Okay, now then, I've answered all the questions. Let me give you a few links, then I'll do all the news from our newsletter today. And then we got the bell, then we got our XRP special. So first of all, can everyone tap the like button? We want another 13 and we have 200. That would be amazing. Can we get 200? That would be great. Consider subscribing to the channel. We're very excited because we're coming up to 187 today. Sorry, 87 today on our race to 100,000. There you go. Look at that. Are we going to get to 87 today? I think we're going to get to 87,000 by the 4th of July tomorrow. Absolutely. Very confident of it. It might happen in the next couple of hours with our XRP special. So that would be great. I'm really excited about that. When we hit 90,000, we start the countdown to the silver plaque on the wall. Then we are big YouTubers. That would be great. And it is all of us. It's our channel. You've done all this. I'm just here. I'd be nobody without you, right? Okay, let me give you the links. If you want to follow me on X, there's my X account. Why would you want to follow me on X? Because I give you the links before the show.
Kent Paranormal and Herbex donated £2 through a super chat. What's the next test trade? Binky Bonk?
140 grand on Binky Bonk. We're going to make $20 billion in 3 seconds. Yeah, you never know. It just shows you that I will do it from time to time. You never know when I'm going to do it. I like to keep you on your toes. You never know, Simon. You never know. Anyway, there you go. So if you follow me on X, this is what you get. Let me show you. This is one of the perks you get as a member. This is my X account. We have 5,746 followers, and I engage with you. I don't follow for follow. That devalues our engagement. We don't do that. But I do answer questions if they're polite and nice wherever I can. And I repost people's comments wherever I can. And it will promote your X account and help you grow. And then you might get monetized one day, which would be nice, right? We have our poll so you can see what people are saying about the market. You said boom, 74%. The poll is closed for this morning. And you see my interviews, breaking news. I also do spaces where you can all join me on live conversations. You can take part with me on spaces. I bring you special events like yesterday, $140,000 trade on Virgin Galactic, all sorts of stuff. So if you follow me there now, has anyone done it? I'll call you out on the show and promote you. There's my X. Let's see if anyone's done it. It's in the chat there. Follow me on X. Let me go and have a look. We've got, did anyone follow me in the last couple of seconds? Let's have a look. We've got a lot of reposts. We've got my Zebec army who now turned against me because I said it's going down, and it will go down, and it has gone down. So now they hate me. I mean, I don't know what to say about it. So now they're sharing my Zebec song in some kind of joke towards me. I don't get it, because it did go down. It did do what I said it would. But they just don't like me saying it. I just don't understand it. So now they're just calling me, look, they're swearing, they're calling me idiots, and I don't know. But that's what happens when you tell people the truth. They don't want to know. At least certain people do. Anyway, there we go. It's going back up again. So I was glad to buy on the Roth. I'm glad I didn't buy on the S&P on my main account. There was no point. It wasn't a big enough drop. So there's X. The other thing is Instagram. If you want to follow me on Instagram, there's the link. Now, you might like access to the software that I use, Seeking Alpha and Alpha Spread. I've got a great relationship with the CEO of Alpha Spread, and you can get such a good deal. It makes my membership for free. So there are my analysis software programs that you can get, and you can get free trials. Without referrals, you don't get free trials. There's the music channel for tomorrow night, the 4th of July. There's the all links button if you want the website with all the personal stuff and everything else. There's the extra channel, which is live 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And if you want to become a member, there is the membership link. If you are on an iOS device, select a browser and a desktop version. Now we get on to the exciting stuff. Who wants some free shares? Robinhood USA, but I also have Robinhood UK. There it is. Oh, hello.
Crow 265 donated $2 through a super chat. Zebec Army here. Still here for you, Martyn.
I love that. See, I am with the technology of Zebec. I'm not here for the performance of Zebec's management. I don't like the way they do things. They didn't do themselves any favors, and the asset has gone down. It's not because of me. I can't move, and you've seen I can't move the stock, an asset. I couldn't move the S&P. I couldn't move Virgin Galactic by simply in fact, I'm gonna do that. Have I got time? I've got time. Let me do this. Let me do this. Can I do that? Can I do that? Can I do that? Can I do that? I want to. Yeah. I want to do that. That means a lot to me, actually, and that's an important message. That's an important message. Let me show you something. Okay, let me do this. Right, so, okay, what's the time? The time, I've never done this before. This is a different way of doing things. It is 8:11. 8:11. 11. ZBCN. ZBCN. Okay, ZBCN 811. So let me do this now. Where was that? Let me put that in super chats there. Super chat. Still hit right. Okay. This is important. Right. Zebec Army, ZBCN investors. I've got an update for you, and you might want to pay attention, or you might want to just hate me for it. I don't know. A few days ago, as you know, I said that Zebec wasn't going to do well because of the management. I don't like their style, and the evidence has been clear for all to see. You can see Zebec has been doing nothing but go down. In fact, most of you dumped it after the news that I said that Zebec just wasn't what I thought it was. The management, the technology is amazing. We love the technology and we hope the management get replaced. But there it is. It went down, and as we got to the event that I didn't want to be part of, I wanted to do it online so it would bring it to more people, not behind closed doors. I reported that. You all turned against me, started shouting and swearing at me on X. But I'm not bothered. I tried to answer your questions, but you don't like my answers, so you all unfollowed. I don't care. I don't earn any money on X. Makes no difference to me. In fact, that once you unfollow, all the nonsense goes away and I start to grow again. But all the Zebec army are not with the Zebec haters. In fact, one of our members here is a Zebec investor and he's still with me. He gets the technology, as do I. Once the management get changed, he just said this. Look at this. This was Crow, super chatted me. Zebec Army here, still here for you. Isn't that wonderful? Lots of people are still with me because they want the facts. Now, you might notice that XRP, one of our favorite cryptos, which is also in the payment sector, it just keeps going up. We like it. And I got an XRP special today predicting that this is going to go a lot higher. The XRP army doesn't just turn on you when you say something bad about something. They want to know. The Zebec army, on the other hand, they get all angry, but only the haters. As you can see here today, Crow265 is in Zebec and he loves it. The technology is great. The management, not so. So that's all I've said to you. I believe in excellence and you should have a certain way of going about yourself. And if you don't, it changes. And sadly, it changed for me. And I told you it changed and I shared it with you. And rather than buying the dip and actually gaining more Zebec, what did you do? You pumped it on the cans event and then sold it again. So you don't have faith. You did that for yourself. And by the way, as a test, I want to show you that I have no power whatsoever to be able to move Zebec. Because yesterday, live on the show, for a test, I did a 140,000 margin trade to see what would happen with Virgin Galactic. It's a similar market cap. It's very similar market cap on ticker price action with a Zebec, and nothing happened. It didn't even move. And my army, if you call it an army, followed me as well. So it may have been even more than that, and nothing happened. It didn't move. So we can't move a stock or an asset unless it's really small, like 50 million or 20 million or something like that. So it went down because you sold it. And then when you had the opportunity to make money, you all bought it and then dumped it again. That's why it continues to go down. Sadly, the management aren't looking good. People don't trust the management. So if you like the technology, what do? You buy the dip and you hold. Except you don't. You keep selling it. So there's an update for you on Zebec today. I hope you will... maybe, but I don't expect it. I hope you'll come back into our family where we provide the news, because if you do, you could end up following me from $5,000 to just about $250,000. I've got no options. I've got no trades. Sorry, I've got no margin. I'm making money all the time. I'm beating the market. I'm doing great. And you know, it's because we just look at the news rather than hoping the news will be what it isn't, and then invest that way and then get angry when the news goes down and it's not what you want. My XRP investors, right? And that's a much bigger audience. In fact, when we covered the event for the XRP Brad Garlinghouse interview on 60 Minutes, we had 130,000 people watch me. And since then, we have said things like XRP can go down. We said you got to be prepared for it to go to 50 cents, but they haven't left. They've increased their engagement with us because they know what they own and they want to hear the facts. Why is it going down? What's going wrong? The difference is I've never said anything bad against the management. Brad Garlinghouse is fantastic. He does a great job. He's a great ambassador for his business, and that's the difference. And if that's the case, I'm going to share it and I'm going to say it. But I'm no longer going to engage with you on X because I've learned that if you have a very aggressive, violent or abusive audience, that if you try and explain things to them, they don't believe you. They'll keep saying, no, you're pumping it for yourself, even though I don't. They'll say you're getting upset because you got your ego bashed. Really, I'm the world piano man. I don't need a crypto gig in France. I've toured all over the world. I've sold theaters out. That doesn't upset me. He's only making money on X with clicks. That's not true. I don't earn any money on X. It doesn't seem to me, whatever I say, to help. So I just stopped engaging. There's no point. You might notice the last 24 hours, I haven't engaged. I'm not going to engage. There's no point. I just get into arguments with people and waste my time. I've got people here who want to actually make money and they want to know what's going on. So you've got a choice. You could actually be in the real Zebec army of investors that want to know what's going on. Like Crow, he even gave me a super chat to say so. Because he makes money. He's not losing his money. Hopefully, he trimmed off and took some profit and at the top and then bought back this dip and now is holding, not pumping and dumping it on the first possible opportunity. Anyway, there you go. If you are interested in hearing what I have to say about XRP today, in about 40 minutes from now, it's 8:17 at 9 a.m. Central, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, I'm covering a special on XRP. And I might say some good and bad. In fact, I will say some good and bad. Expect 20, 30,000 people to watch and nobody to shout and swear at me because I say it. It's up to you, folks. The asset is doing exactly what I predict it would do, not because of the technology, because of the management. And then because of you. You dumped it and then blamed me for it. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here, I shall put the Zebec playlist, and down here, I'll put the event for XRP coming up later. I wish everybody the best. I wish everybody would understand and be calm and be nice. They're just not going to be, so I rest my case. Take care of yourselves and each other. Right then, let's get ready to rumble. Markets are going up again. We're very excited. Let me go and refresh the screen. While I'm doing that, could everyone tap the like button? Let's get to... Oh, we've done it. We've got 200. You can't do better than that. There's only 300 watching. So we've exceeded all expectations. Right, let me refresh Wall Street. Alrighty. Okay, let's get ready to rock and roll. Do 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 she dooby dooby doo. Do you plan to ever start a new account with $5,000 so we can grow with you? What start again? No, because this is a journey, and the journey is 4 years in. You can join in at any time, but to start again, I don't want another account at the side so people go, well, how much money's he got? What's really going on? It's all here on view for you. So I'm not going to, I don't think I want to do that. You never know though. And anything could happen. Anything could happen. You never know. We shall see. Right, we've got 10 minutes to go before the bell goes.
All right, take a look at some of the
I've got time. Oh, Solar.
now,
First
we're
Solar.
going to talk a bit about Cadence and Synopsys. They're two of the names as a result
First
of that
Solar up
U.S. lifting at
4.68.
chip design software curbs.
Very nice indeed. Solar's going to do well. Let me go through our news. So I want to do this. Did I get any followers on X that I can just engage with and share you on the screen? Let's have a look. Yay! Here we go. I want to share this on the screen. When I get followers on X, I like to promote your accounts. I like to help you grow. So let's do that now. So here we go. Good. Whoops-a-daisy. Good morning. That's Pearl Villarreal. Good morning. Happy 4th. Thank you for what? Thank you. What an amazing show yesterday. You enjoyed that, did you? All right, I didn't. Here we go. We got 4 new members. So we've got Heather. We've got Heather Samimi. Thank you for you. Give you a bit of a shout out there. We've got Sylvia, another lady. 13% now, over 13% now, ladies who watch our show. It's incredible. It's the highest engagement of ladies on a channel that covers crypto in the world. There we go. There is Sylvia. And who have we got here? Craig Edwards. Thank you very much. You've got 1 follower. I'm sure you'll have more followers now because you're part of the family. Hey, wouldn't it be funny? Wouldn't it be great? Can everyone do me a favor? Let's do something. Let's do something for somebody this morning. We've got a couple of seconds. Here is Craig Edwards, right? He's just become a follower of the show, right? He's just become a follower. Shall we do something really cool, right? He's being nice. He's being positive. He's followed the show. He's just joined. Should we do this? Come on then. Let's give him 100 followers. He'll go, what the hell? Go on. Let's just do that. There you go. There's Craig Edwards' account. It'd be really, really cool if everybody clicks on follow and does that. It'd be really, 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 really nice. Let's see if anyone does it. A 4th of July treat for Craig Edwards. Some random person who just followed me and he's got a credible account. Look, he's only following 11 people. He's not following millions to get followers. He seems nice comment. And there he is. Shall we have some fun? And let's see if we can get Craig Edwards with 100 followers in 5 seconds. Shall we refresh it? He's on 1. Let's see if anyone's done it. I love doing stuff like this. Come on, he's got 1. You get more than 1. Come on, somebody do it. Come on. It'd be nice. Go, Craig. Is he in the chat? Come on, I've just put the link in the chat. Come on. Let's have a little look. Yay! He's got 2. He's just doubled. 100% growth. Go on, we could at least get 10, couldn't we? Does anybody, if you follow my X account, this is what happens. This is our new thing. This is a new thing we're going to do right now, right? We're going to pick people at random and we're going to blow up their X accounts. We're going to make them famous. Because don't forget, he's now on the video. So everybody will see this video later and go, oh, who's Craig? Craig Edwards, some bloke. He suddenly gets 1 million followers. He goes, what happened? I didn't do anything. Right, he's at 2. He's at 7. Hey! Oh, here he is. I'm here. Thank you. Look at this. He's a nice bloke. He's not even one of our members. He's just a nice bloke. LOL. I'm here. Thank you very much. Bitcoin. We like Bitcoin here on the show. Lovely. We're so happy to be able to help you. Do you know what though, Mr. Bitcoin? I think we can get you to 10. That's 1,000% increase. Let's do it. Let's make him famous on YouTube. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Has he got 10? He's got 11. I'm loving it. There you go. I'm loving it. Hey, you've got more followers. You've got the same followers as you are following. That's a really good analytic for your growth. So I tell you what, Craig, we're going to get you 1 more. Don't follow anybody else. Make sure that you've got more you've got more followers than following, right? Has he got 12? Yes! Get in. There you go, mate. You got 14 followers. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to do this. This is going to be a new thing. We're not going to do it for anyone specifically. We're not going to choose members or anything like that. We're just going to randomly pick people. I'm going to go in every morning, go to my notifications, see who follows me, see who engages with me. And, look at that, another lady. We've got, let's make this person famous as well. We've got Crypto Gast. Another lady has joined. I'm assuming it's a lady. We don't know, of course, on X. She could have just put a picture of a lady and it could be some big fat bloke sitting in a corner. We don't know. We've no idea. But she got a picture, Crypto Gast. You never know. There you go. Shall I make her famous? No, we're only going to do one. We're not going to do it all the time. All right. But we'll do random ones. You never know. You never know when I'm going to do it. We've also got Chris, who's just joined. We've also got Toda Minev, who's just joined. Right, there you go. We'll come back to that later. I love it. You never know when we're going to do that. Markets are going up. Here's another one. A Zebec investor. Still here, buddy. We love the technology, just not the management style. Good morning, all. 3 minutes ago. Let's get ready to ring the bell.
Isolating.
I'm excited. Good reason to be excited every single day. If you're not excited, what's the point of it all? Careful, Martyn. Some of those are bots. They may well be. They may well be, of course. But we know that Bitcoins isn't, because he's in the chat talking to me. All right. There you go. Watching now. Nice to. Oh, there you go. Now then, Crypto Gast. Look. That lady who joined, watching now, nice to hear about R2D2. See? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make her famous. I've got 2 minutes. I'm going to go quote. I'm going to put her on I'm going to put Crypto Gast on the top of my homepage. Watching now, nice to hear about R2D2. Yes, I have very fond memories of Kenny Baker. Are you a Star Wars fan? There you go. And we'll get a lot of Star Wars. Let's have a look here. Star Wars. There you go. Hey, Casey.
Casey has become a member.
Oh, thank you much indeed. We got 1 minute to go. Don't worry, we won't miss the bell. So there you go. I've just made Crypto Gast. She's on the homepage of the channel right at the top. There you go. Crypto Gast, just follow me. She loves the whole Star Wars thing. So I thought, there you go. I've got to reply to that. There you go. So if you want to go and follow Crypto Gast, you can. I'm not going to make a big thing out of it. Can't do it for everybody, right? Otherwise, you just kind of spoil it. Right, okay, here we go. Good morning, everyone. Careful, Martyn. Yeah, I'm making sure. I have 23 followers and don't know any of them. Nobody does. Casey, another member, another lady. Here we go, 1 minute to go. I'll check the analytics. If we keep growing like this, we'll have 14% ladies. Right, here we go. Let's get ready. Markets are going up. 1 minute to go. No margin. Val, no margin. Correct. No margin at all. Not one single penny. Just fluffy. We are all good people. Sold my space a while back and just bought yesterday at 284. Good morning, Yassine. Good morning to you. Been a while. How are you? Val, good morning. Thank you. Oh, is that you? KC, is that you? Are you Crypto Gast? I think that's Crypto Gast. Crypto Gast is a real person. Look at that. Here you are, Crypto Gast. He said, yeah, thank you very much. You just promoted me. Right, here we go. Let's ring the bell.
But the number was better. Yields moved higher, Jim.
Yep.
But stocks have maintained a positive bid this morning, despite that move higher in yields.
Yeah, I mean, look, you do have semis going up again. Yeah, it's a rather amazing thing that's going on. People aren't talking about it.
The bell has gone. We're off to the races. Let's ring the bell. No margin, absolute Star Wars fan art. YouTube is a cutie. Yeah, love it. Woohoo! Bitcoin became a member. Became a member. Bitcoins became a member. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Markets are going up. We're all getting rich. Look at this. Look at that. That's why I deployed my cash this morning. Boom. 200. Come on. 250,000. $250,000. I want the crowd to go mad. Think about it, folks. Think about it. I started with $5,000. $5,000. No options. No shorts. No options. No shorts. The S&P, we're simply buying with conviction. Are we about to hit $250,000? Come on, everybody. Let's hear it. $250,000. I'm $250,000. Come on, get in. Come on, go, 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 go. $250,000. Do it, do it. Yes! Get in. I'm $250,000. Fantastic. There you go. That's the richest I've ever been in my entire life. I've never been $250,000. Never. There you go. What a special moment that is. From $5,000, anyone can do what I did. All I did was stay involved, worked hard, bought the dip, but not the dip, the undervalued position. And there it is, $250,000 now. I'm $250,000. There you go. Fantastic. What an exciting moment. Join me every day live on the show. We have fun. We help people. We blow people's X accounts up. We're here to support. We're here to have fun. We're here to make money. And now, to top it all off, I'm $250,000. Yeah, get in. I bloody love it. Click up above my head. That's it now. That's it. I'm $250,000 now. You got to pay to talk to me now. Down below in the description, along here, there'll be more links. Over here and over here, we've got a big XRP event today, the XRP Reset. You don't want to miss it. Down here, something else you might enjoy. If you comment to it, I just might promote you on X and get everybody to follow you. And we did that this morning, twice. There you go. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right, that's 8:33. That was the moment I became $250,000. 8:32. That sounds quite good, doesn't it, really? 8:32. Millionaire. Right, write that down. All right. Now, you might say, but Martin, if you'd stayed in margin, you'd have made even more money. Yeah, I would. Doesn't matter. I want to have my position safe now. We do not want to be gambling with our money. Absolutely. What we did yesterday was lunacy. Absolutely crazy. Okay. Loving it. Good morning, Mr. Martin. Space will jump today. Zach, I have a multiple Drew Barrymore I have multiple Drew Barrymore followers. Bitcoins. Good morning. God bless. Good morning to you. Tony raised the flag. Poor man, Phoenix. Zach, I just became a member. Bitcoin. Sounds like I'm going to give another membership through my other YouTube channel. Get out of it. No way. Welcome, Bitcoins. You're the best, KC. Thank you. What an amazing morning. Is everybody happy? We got 25 minutes. We're about to cover the XRP special. We'll continue with our news. There's got lots of news from the newsletter today, but I do want to get set for the XRP show. Welcome, Bitcoin KC. Welcome. Welcome, KC. Can everyone blow KC up? Come on. Congratulations, Martin. You deserve it. Well done, Martin. Oh, look at this. Congratulations. Boom. Congratulations. Oh, look at this. That's wild. Congratulations. Are you a radio presenter? Love your style. Keeps me excited. Am I a radio presenter? Well, I did some radio once. I'm the World Piano Man. I've performed all over the world as the World Piano Man. I've had my own Vegas show, my own theatre show. I've sold concert halls around the world. I did an event on YouTube alongside Andre Bocelli back in the day of COVID. I've got Sir Elton John's jacket when I become the World Piano Man. I've done global telethons for the Lions Club to raise money for the Lions Club, the biggest fundraising group in the world. So no, I'm not a radio guy, but I am a singer, entertainer. And tomorrow night, live on our show, on the other channel, we have this. It's the 4th of July event. I've got to change the thumbnail because we've rebranded it for this Friday. If you want to join me, I'll do a song request for you, including the Star Spangled Banner. There you go. There's a Friday show. Join me on there. Let me end the poll. We've got all the votes. Everybody was right. It was boom. Well, I wouldn't say it was boom. It's up. It's good, but we're not getting too excited about it. We're just going to let it do its thing. And 4% this year is all you're going to get left. So we'll just leave it like that, shall we? Anyway, congratulations. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Well deserved. Congrats. 250,000, but a whole wonderful of a person. Thank you very much. Woohoo! Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Well deserved. Congratulations, Martyn. I love that everyone's taking part in it. Everyone's taking part in the moment. Congratulations. That's got to feel awesome. You're buying the drinks now. Can you lend me a fiver? I knew that was going to happen. Piano Man tomorrow. Yay. Congratulations. You deserve it. I can't wait until you get to 1 million. Time to break out the whiskey. Oh my God. 183,000 in sterling. There, 183,000. Yeah, it sounds better in dollars. Yeah, I'm saying it in dollars. It's $250,000. Yeah, Cockney Cabby. Well done. Love it. I love it, love it, love it. Just bought 25 shares of Enphase before the open. Already up 4%. It's my best tip of the year. Best tip of the year. Congratulations. Enphase, what is happening today? S&P to the moon. Congratulations, Martyn. Millionaires soon. Happy to be here. Thank you all. Enphase, what is happening in it? Enphase, what is happening to it? What is happening to it? Hey, Martyn and Fred. Another lady. Say Ray, another one of our ladies. Say Ray. I'm celebrating today. I am celebrating today. Say Ray, do you follow me on X? Should I do it again? Should I do it again? Say Ray, are you following me on X? We want to celebrate our ladies. Say Ray, I'll give you 30 seconds. Are you following me on X? If you are following me on X, go and comment on my latest post so I can find you. And I'll surprise you. Say Ray. All right? Say Ray's not a member, but we're going to do it anyway. Say Ray, you've got like 1 minute. If you miss it, it's too late. Go and comment on my top comment, which is all about Star Wars. Right? Yes, I do follow you on X. Okay. You've got 30 seconds. You've got 30 seconds then to go onto my X and reply to my latest post. My latest post is there, right at the top, about Star Wars. You got 30 seconds. After that, it's over. Shall we count down? 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, I love that, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did she comment? Say Ray, okay, posted. Where? I don't see it. Say Ray, where are you? Is that you? That looks like you. Is that Say Ray? That looks like Say Ray. Is that Say Ray? Is this you? Star Wars is amazing. I gave birth on May the 4th to my son. May the 4th. I love it. That's perfect. That's perfect. All right. Okay. Is that you? Is that you? That is you, isn't it? That is you. I'm guessing that's you. Right. Okay. Here we go. Rusty Shackelford. There she is. This is you, isn't it? That must be you. I'm reckoning that's you. Yes, it is. That's definitely you. That's definitely you. Okay, we'll do it again then. Here we go. She's got 2,533. You ready? Let's move the needle to 2,600. Yeah, that's me. Here we go. She's a Star Wars fan. There you go. Put her on the screen. There you go. There's the link. Always a fun show. Go on then. 2,533. I'm going to leave it on there for 1 minute. So you're now on YouTube. Do you know what you should do? Say Ray. It's Say Ray, innit? What you should do, Say Ray, is a little tip. Don't tell no one, because everybody will do this. Right? Everybody will do this. Everyone's thinking, what? When I show you on YouTube, on the screen, you can get thousands of followers. Tell me. What do I do? What you do is this. Are you listening? Are you paying attention? What you do is you clip this section. So we're live right now on the show. This is where we're live right now, okay? Right? Can you see under the video is a clip button? So the clip button, you clip it. And you go, look, you go here. You title it, you go, this is me on Martyn's show. Everybody follow me because I'm great. Because I like Star Wars and I like Martyn and I got famous on the telly. So you write a title in here and you can move this around and you save the clip. And you can share the clip. You can share the clip on your X account, right? So you can share this little bit, and I'm showing this little bit, right? This little bit. So you will have your own video on your account sharing this. Guess what happens? You repost it on your account on the top. Everybody who watches that video, everybody who watches this video, everybody who watches that clip sees you and goes, oh, this is brilliant. I might as well follow you then, because they're watching it on your profile. And every now and again, I will repost someone's video who does. In fact, because it's the 4th of July and we've just made $250,000, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna pick 4. It's the 4th of July. I'm gonna pick 4 people that do exactly that. That clip today's show at a funny section. It doesn't matter where, and you can say anything. You say what you want. You can say, put me on X, promote me on X. I don't know. Do whatever you want. It's the 4th of July. We're all celebrating. We're all making money. Nobody cares. All right. So I will pick 4 random people. The 4th of July, I'll pick 4 people. And what I'll do, so I'm still showing her it. She's got a great clip. Have you clipped it? Loving it. Right, let me come back to here. And then I will repost it and I'll say, happy 4th of July. Why not? So 4 people are going to get reposted on X, on my profile, and you're all going to blow up and you're all going to get more followers, and that'll be great. Did she get more followers? Yes. Did it go up? I can't remember what it was. Was it 2547? I can't remember what it was now. Let's have a look. 2547. Was it? I can't remember what it was. I don't know. I don't remember what it was. Anyway, that doesn't matter. The point is, if you do that, if you clip it, and I'll repost it, I'll pick 4. All right. Okay. You can clip bits from the show, and we can have a lot of fun, right? Okay. So anyway, it's my birthday today, guys. Ninja Cowboy, fantastic. If you're a member of the show, and it's your birthday during the week, join us for the Friday concert, which is tomorrow night. Tell me it was your birthday during the week. And you can do that now, so I know you've done it. And I will celebrate your birthday on our 4th of July party tomorrow night. Here is the link to the party tomorrow night. Okay. Right, I've got to go. Got the XRP news. Here's the show. Yay, she's blowing up. Ray's blowing up. So there you go. There is the event for tomorrow night. There's the event for tomorrow night. And if you go in there and say, it's my birthday, can I do American Pie? Yes, let's do it. Let's do American Pie for tomorrow night. If you go in there now, say it's my birthday, that will remind me and keep repeating it to make sure I don't miss it. There's the event for tomorrow night, okay? 4th of July party. I'll rename it soon. There we go. We're all rich today. $250,000. I'm loving it. Oh, $250,000 and 182. Right, okay. I am your father. Use the fourth, Luke. Never tell me the odds. I am your father. I am your father. Do you like that? You're the kindest teacher I've ever had the pleasure of learning from. Martyn, thank you for your kindness and your heart for helping. It's just fun to help people, isn't it? Ray. It's just, we all help each other, don't we? It's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. It's easy to grow if you love to work hard. I love to work hard. I enjoy it. I enjoy working hard. So we all work together. We all support each other. We all make money. We all grow on this channel. Hey!
Arby has become a member. Not on X but on vacation, my friend. Cheers, mate. Tumbler glass emoji.
Well, get on X then. Get on X, mate. We're subbing everyone. We're subbing everyone. I absolutely will. It's my girlfriend's birthday tomorrow. Lovely. We'll celebrate your girlfriend as well. 4th of July, innit? 4th of July, innit? RB celebrates 4 months of membership. Elton John jacket back catalogue tomorrow. Crypto Rocket Man, I'm still standing. Don't let the chart go down on me. What a great idea. Shall we do it? Happy birthday. May your portfolio have a good one. May the 4th be with you. Martyn the GOAT. That's nice, isn't it? Right. This is what we're going to do. I'm so excited. It's great, innit? Ain't it great? In life, great. Just keep going. Just keep messing about. Just keep messing about. Just keep messing about, basically. Right. This is what's coming up in a minute. Let me see if we grew. Let me see how we grew today. Shall we have a quick look? Subscribers. What we got? Oh, 2,000 views this morning. 50,000. Our record's 100,000 over 48 hours. Let's see what happens. Subscribers, 86. Hey! That'll do for me. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. I want to get to 87 so we can start the countdown for 100,000. Anyway, this is the event. We're going to go live here. We're going to be live here in 10 minutes. It's the big XRP reset. We're talking XRP. We'll mention Zebec, of course. We'll have to do that. But there you go. XRP. This is what XRP is doing right now. We're going to talk about this. We're going to show you the news. We're going to deep dive in it, analysis it. We're going to analyze you. All right. So there you go. That's happening right now. So you've got the link at the top. Let me give you the link in the chat. We're going to be live there in 10 minutes. Might just take me a couple of minutes to go on X and do a couple of posts. But bear with me. There's the link. Join me there in a couple of minutes' time. From there, we'll go to our 4th of July party, shall we? A tribute to Billy Joel. Moving up. That would be good. Moving up would be good. Let's do it. Changing 500. Yes. Are you coming to the show tomorrow night? This is it. 4th of July party. I'll do it. I'll do moving out just for you. And you can clip it and share it. There is the link to the 4th of July party. I'll give you all this in the XRP event as well. We've got 20 likes now. How many people have liked it already? 21. Okay, it's going up. We got birthday. We got, there we go. Happy 4th of July. Okay, cool. Right, XRP event. It's blowing up now. Exactly like we said. This is the time we want to do it. I'm excited for it. Let's go. The XRP event is right here. So I've got to end right now to get it done. Links in the chat. I'll give it to you again. It's pinned to the top. Click there now. It'll automatically take you there anyway. Get ready for the big XRP reset. It's a wonderful, exciting time for XRP. We want to cover it live. That's it from me. See you over there in a minute. Love you all. It's exciting, isn't it? Another great day. See you for XRP in a couple of minutes. Plus more news on the pump. Plus much more data for inflation. All of that will be in the XRP special. It's going to be great. Join me in a few moments. All right? I'll see you there in a minute. Take care of yourselves and each other.